Hey friends, and happy Thanksgiving. Disney's Grand Floridian Resort, and we have dining reservations at Chef Mickey's, and they're doing a special Thanksgiving Day menu only served today, and I'm so excited. I figured we'd check out all the holiday decorations, do some resort activities, and have a thankful Thanksgiving kind of night. And here I am, delivering Dunkin' Donuts to my mom at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. My mom runs on Dunkin'. My mom loves Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and they don't serve that here at the Grand Floridian, so I had to stop and get her a cup. But I really want to do a lot of fun activities around the resorts before we actually go for Thanksgiving dinner. Maybe we'll rent a boat out and take her out on Seven Seas Lagoon, maybe see some of the cool activities that they're doing, and definitely check out all the Christmas trees, because that is something you could do and like spend a whole day doing. It is such a beautiful day. We decided to make our way down to the marina, and we're gonna rent out a pontoon boat and go drive around Seven Seas Lagoon. This is one of my favorite things to do, and I think my mom and sister are really gonna love it. Here are the prices. It's $45 per 30 minutes, $90 per 60 minutes, and it is such a fun time. If you guys have watched my videos, I've done it a lot, and that's why I'm kind of repeating everything that I do already, because I've done it once to see if I liked it. There's only one rule: whoever's driving has to wear the captain's hat. Perfect. I think we're all gonna be driving though. We're gonna all take our turn. Here it is. Here's our boat. Hop aboard. Here we go. Look at this. You excited, Mom?
I am.
It's really fun. Now, I can't film when I'm driving, so I'm gonna either have Bonnie hold the camera, but I do want my mom and my sister all to drive. You don't need a special license or anything like this. Anybody can rent these boats. Anyone can drive them. I think there's an age limit though, isn't there?
You have to be 18 to drive.
You have to be 18 to drive, so no kids. Oh no. Oh boy. Bring the back it up. There it is. There we go. Ahoy, Captain! Look at the cool buttons they're actually giving out today. It says, "I'm celebrating Thanksgiving in grand style." In grand style. Monorail orange today. It's gonna be taking us over to the Contemporary. I am very excited to see what Chef Mickey's is gonna do for Thanksgiving. It's not my #1 choice, but I was kind of late booking a reservation, and that popped up, and then I noticed it's doing a special Thanksgiving Day dinner, so I'm like, wow, maybe it might be something special, so that's where we're going. There is the Magic Kingdom. We're driving by it. It's probably super busy in there today. We were there last night and it was super busy. We have made it to the Contemporary Resort, and our reservation is in a little bit, but I wanted to point out that they have the gingerbread castle here. Kind of like the gingerbread house over at Grand Floridian, just not as cool. I mean, it is cool, but it's not like the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian. Disney's Contemporary Resort Gingerbread Cinderella Castle. This is inspired by Mary Blair, and it's really cool because it has so many different little hidden goats on there. You can actually see all the goats. I see them everywhere. It actually looks amazing this year. I feel bad because I was talking some smack and comparing it to the Grand Floridian, but this actually looks wonderful. 511 eggs, 43 pounds of icing. That is a lot. 67 pounds of chocolate and 111 pounds of ginger spice. And they also have things you can buy here too. Got a little sand. Oh, they got a little Mickey Linzer cookie, Mom. You see that? Oh, and you can get a shingle too.
Oh, we can get a shingle here.
Yeah, you can get a 50th anniversary shingle. This is cool. Wow. Cool. I like the desserts. They look really awesome. They have pins too.
Ooh, pins.
Yes. Very fancy.
You gotta get
I am really tempted in buying one of the 50th anniversary gingerbread shingles or that Linzer cookie, but we are going to Chef Mickey's for Thanksgiving Day like dinner, so I don't want to get it now. Maybe later we'll get it to go with us, because then we can have it as a snack later on. And yeah, they look really good, especially the Linzer cookie. And here it is, Chef Mickey's. This is where we're having Thanksgiving dinner. And I was told that this is only available today, and it's a traditional Thanksgiving family style offering, but character dining. So we're gonna have the regular Chef Mickey characters out, and then also they're adding everything, like it's an addition to Thanksgiving. So they have the regular menu as well, and it's gonna come with turkey and cornbread stuffing, sweet potato casserole, brulee, and all of the fixing, plus the regular menu. And it's $59 a person, and I'm excited. And I'm pretty sure it's all you care to enjoy too. So I don't think I've ever seen them do this before, and it's gonna be cool to show you guys. It's also really cool to be able to celebrate Thanksgiving with Mickey Mouse and Goofy, Donald, Minnie, and I think Pluto. The Fab Five are here. I think Chef Mickey's has the most characters actually for character dining. I love coming inside Chef Mickey's. It is so festive and fun in here. And where else can you say that you're eating underneath the monorail? So the monorail is going to keep flying by us. And it used to be a buffet, but now it's family style. And like I said, they have turkey dinner this time. And it's so cool because they're just going to bring it all to the table. Oh, here comes the chef himself. Look at that. Fancy little fella there. Look at this. Pastry chef Minnie has come over to the table already. Oh, sure. Yeah, thank you. I don't know where it is. Oh,
Right
okay.
there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. So this is our Caesar salad. It's an Italian
Caesar
dish for
salad.
anchovy. And then we've got our plant-based, which is kale underneath with a balsamic vinaigrette. And then our shrimp is a coleslaw base with a citrus dressing.
Wow.
If you'd like any more, let me know and I got it for you. Thank you.
Got some salads and some of the bread. This focaccia bread is so good. Oh, I cannot wait to dive into this. This is one of my favorite bread services on Disney property. Look at it. It looks like it has a lot of flavor to it. Don't want to fill up on the bread though. We got a lot of meats coming our way. The sweet potato casserole, we have the New York strip, we've got the turkey, the stuffing, the green beans, the corn dog nuggets, the like everything. It's a lot of food. Oh, it's time to make the biscuits. What do you guys think of the salad? Yeah? Which one's your favorite?
The Caesar.
The Caesar salad? Yeah. Nah.
You didn't try this one or that one.
Hey!
Oh.
Look at this! Now Chef Mickey's coming to make some biscuits. Hiya, pal. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at this.
Yum, yum.
This is Thanksgiving dinner right here. No. Oh, I love it. Oh, yes. Thank you. One of the things I learned a long time ago is they have always like traditional like kids food, but like they have something for everyone, and you can always ask for it even if you're not a kid. And that's what we did. So we got a whole plate of mac and cheese, corn dog nuggets, chicken nuggets, and tater tots, and I am here for it. And we didn't even get the good stuff yet. Look at that mac and cheese.
It looks so good.
Look who joined us for Thanksgiving. Goof's here. Oh, very fun. My mom's happy to see. I think it's the first time you're seeing Goofy, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Here we go. The feast has arrived. Look at this. So much they actually give you. Turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, carrots, green beans. This is the sweet potato casserole brulee, cranberry sauce, succotash, mushroom gnocchi, New York strip. And what is this? Risotto?
I think it was wild rice.
Wild rice.
Yeah.
This is a lot of food. And we still have more coming out too. So let's dive in. Whenever I eat my turkey dinner, I always have to have turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, in one bite. I think everyone knows that. A little bit of everything right there. That is the way. That's pretty good. And a carrot. And like I said, this is all you care to enjoy. You can just keep on getting more and more and more. And we're about to get another Thanksgiving dish. Look at that. Oh, that is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I'll finish that up. I'm like, oh, Donald's here though. I got excited, I'm sorry. Donald, you're awesome. Happy Thanksgiving. Me, nice. Oh, now my mom's coming. She's happy to see you. This is your first time seeing Donald, definitely. Oh, look at that. Go ahead, Bond, with your Turkey Day shirt. Give Donald a hug. That's the way. The chef is here. Chef? Chef? Very good food here. Very good. Yep. Honestly, I'm so happy Chef Mickey has prepared a wonderful turkey dinner for Thanksgiving. I'm very thankful. My mom's super excited. Look at her over there. We'll have to do photos. Here we go. That sweet potato casserole might be the best sweet potato casserole I think I've ever had, actually. I'm not even kidding. I love it so much. Mom's all about the cranberry sauce.
Yeah.
You got a whole dish there. I can tell you right now, I am blown away by the Thanksgiving food here at Chef Mickey's. Like, I did like the sit-down family skillet. I didn't like how they switched out the prime rib with the New York strip, but the turkey, the green beans, the carrots, the stuffing, the sweet potato casserole brulee, honestly, all top-notch. So good. And I would rather get this than some of the high-priced turkey dinners that I would buy in the park itself. Or even, I remember one year I went to California Grill, and I got Thanksgiving dinner there. I feel like this is a better Thanksgiving dinner.
Hi.
Here comes Pluto. My mom's been looking for you. She said she likes your whiskers. She says you got very springy whiskers. Happy Thanksgiving. Gracie says happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you get some turkey. You had an inbound? Here are the desserts. Looks like we have like a pecan pie, a pumpkin cheesecake tart, some Mickey domes, and some chocolate chip cookies. But what I'm interested in is the plate. It actually says Disney's Contemporary Resort on there.
It does.
Put it in your purse, Ma. You gonna take it home? Come on, stick it. Put it in the purse. Put it in the purse. I think I'm gonna try the pecan pie. I don't even know what this is actually, but it's dripping in pecan stuff. That's really good. It's got a weird taste to it. Like, I mean, it tastes like pecan, but it's the crust that's kind of throwing me out because I'm not usually mixing like a chocolate crust maybe with pecans. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
But the Mickey domes are cool. It's like a little Mickey dome mousse on top of an Oreo.
That mousse is delicious.
Oh, yeah? I might have to try some mousse.
Oh, that's not bad.
Mickey mousse. Ooh, and the Oreos are soft.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, that's good. Very rich.
Mickey.
I don't either. Oh, yeah, Mickey's right there.
Yeah.
Chef? Another thing I love about this restaurant, it being Chef Mickey's, there's Mickey's everywhere. You got Mickey's in the chairs, you got Mickey caddies. Look at this. Fancy. I got the hiccups, and my mom has Mickey's on her shirt. Look at that.
Oh, Mickey.
Mickey's everywhere. Well, I have to say, I thoroughly enjoyed Thanksgiving here at Chef Mickey's. It was so good. I mean, the desserts could have used a little bit more. You know what I mean? I would have loved to see like an actual pumpkin pie, but wow, I loved it so much. It was definitely worth it. Now I got the hiccups and I can't get rid of them. I tried holding my breath. I tried scaring myself. I don't know any other remedies, but I'm gonna just keep on hicking up on myself. I have a front-facing camera. I seen you sneaking up on me a mile away. We made our way back over to the gingerbread. Gotta get that Linzer cookie. They got gingerbread shingles too, Ma.
Oh, are we getting them over there?
Well, you can get it wherever you want. I think these are the 50th ones. I think they have the chocolate dipped ones over there. These are just gingerbread. These look nicer though, I think.
Thank you. I agree. We have like a nice little shimmer of iridescent dust, pixie dust all over it.
And there's the Linzer cookie. It's a little hit Mickey Linzer.
Yeah, that's cute.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah. The craziest thing happened. The elevator at the Contemporary that would take you up to the monorail was broke. So they wouldn't allow us to take the wheelchair up the escalator, and they had no way of getting us back to the Grand Floridian except for a taxi cab. So they made us go down to the first floor and they were gonna give us a taxi cab voucher. They ended up giving us a Mears taxi voucher that'll take us back over to the Grand Floridian. I've never seen this happen before, so it's kind of strange. And we made it back to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. Look at that. A hopscotch taxi cab away.
Jump.
Yeah. My mom hopped in line because she wants to get a gingerbread shingle from the gingerbread house. The gingerbread house is open from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. And here are the prices for everything. They have so many. This is the list. This is like the menu here. And a marshmallow lollipop's $4. A gingerbread man lollipop is $5.75. Then they also have the gingerbread cookie man, $7.50. A gingerbread latte whoopie pie. A gingerbread shingle with dark chocolate is $11. So for one gingerbread shingle, it's $11. Look at all those gingerbread shingles up there. It is edible, but I don't think it's going to taste good, Bonnie.
Probably not.
You think you can eat the house?
I could try.
Yeah. Except for the metal pieces. And there's actually people working inside there, which is like the coolest thing. Yeah. Now that we've got our little gingerbread shingle from the gingerbread house at Grand Floridian, time to head home. I do have to get Gracie some turkey though, because we can't have turkey if we can't go eat in turkey if she can't have turkey. Am I saying that right? No, yeah, but we need to get Gracie turkey, bottom line. I was gonna stop at Golden Corral to get Gracie some turkey, but look at the line to get in here. Holy moly. The GC is really holding it down on Thanksgiving Day, I could tell you. Gracie! It's turkey time! Where are you? I got turkey! You want some food? It's turkey time, Gracie! Woohoo! Happy Thanksgiving! Woohoo! Are you excited? You excited for turkey? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that tail! Look at that tail! Whoa! Yes! Looks like we were able to get some turkey and sweet potato for Gracie. So now we're gonna make her little Thanksgiving pup meal. There we go. We got a mixture of turkey, sweet potato, some of your chow chow, and happy Thanksgiving. Are you happy, doggy? Huh? Are you happy? Are you thankful? Who's a good girl? You ready? Oh, sit. Would you eat it out of my hand? Well, yes, I will, Dad. Here. There you go. Yes. Sweet potatoes are good for you. I took all the skin off the turkey, too, so most of it is just the meat itself. A little bit dried out, but it'll do. I'm sure she loves it. And with that, I think we are done here today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.